Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're having a good day today. Just wanted to check in with you and update you on my improvements that I'm making on my house that I call Magnolia Place. Getting ready to reopen that as a new Airbnb. Getting ready to open up another one, the Pine Place, back up so that I can start doing Airbnb with that again as well. But I know I told you on the last video that I was going to quit doing Airbnb, but I decided to give them a second chance and see how it goes. We'll give that another chance, and hopefully we'll have a better experience this time. But we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated as we go. I actually listed the one across the street from here, the one I call Pine Place, on Zillow, and it's listed as a long-term rental right now. So if I get a good prospective tenant that I think will pay the rent on time and take care of the place, I might go ahead and rent that out as a long-term rental and just do the one I call Magnolia Place as a short-term rental, and maybe just do one Airbnb and see how that goes. So the things that I'm having to do to Magnolia Place, you'll see in the next clips. Had to reroute the sewage. That was about $2,500. No, wait a minute, that was like $2,900. I had to make some repairs in the roof where it was leaking, and then I had to go back and also repair inside where the sheetrock, actually the plaster, because it's an older house, was coming down inside on the ceiling. So I had to fix that. And also included clips in here where I'm going through the other room where I'm going to be doing the renovations and putting 2 additional bedrooms, a hallway, a closet, and a bathroom. So I'll keep updating you all as that progresses. Well, before we can get started on any of the inside stuff that we're going to do with the remodeling, adding 2 extra bedrooms and 2 extra bathrooms, we've got to reroute the city sewer line that goes out to the city. The old pipe was considerably old. It was made out of iron, and it was rusted in certain places. It actually went underneath, directly underneath this big magnolia tree, and so there were issues with drainage. And so we have, you see here, we have redug a new drainage pipe for the sewer that goes all the way through here and then takes a bend. Got the big equipment for the digging, and then goes all the way through here up to, looks like they cut down one of my shrubberies, but then it'll tie in here to the water main, or to the, I'm sorry, not the water main, but the city sewer system, which goes quite deep. You see, this pipe is very deep. Looks like they may have cut into the water line. I hope not, but we'll find out. Let's see, what else do we have here? This is some of the old clay pipe, looks like. Anyway, this is what we're doing now, getting ready to get this house ready to be a long-term rental. This is the one that we call Magnolia Place. I will give updates as we go. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Well, I'm over here in Magnolia Place, getting ready to reopen it as a new Airbnb. Well, actually an old Airbnb being reopened, but we had a little issue with the ceiling. Apparently the guys that came and said they fixed the roof didn't fix it, so I had a guy come out and put patches in the roof and fix the areas where the leaks were occurring. But we had that leak, and then we had this leak here in the kitchen, and so I'm gonna have to get those. The roof is fixed now, but I'm gonna have to get these places fixed. But we also have an issue out here. I think this water here is coming from there, so I don't think that's an issue. well, wait a minute. It is an issue coming from the roof. So I'm gonna have to get that done as well. So, you know, the joys of running an Airbnb, you're always having to repair something. We've had some severe rains recently, and so that's why it's leaking like it is now. But I do need to get that fixed. So I'll let you know as I progress. I'm getting ready to reopen this Airbnb. All right. The next project I'm going to be working on is this room here. It's actually going to be 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So I've got a lot of junk in here, so it's kind of hard to see what I've got, but I've got the walls kind of lined out already with these 2x4s to set up how it's going to look. So it's kind of hard to tell the way it is right here. I did this work here. This is going to be a closet on this side. I think I'm going to open it up on the other side too and make it where it's accessible from the bathroom, which is going to be right here. So we could probably turn this area right here into a storage area for towels and stuff like that, or other items that we're going to be needing here when I open this Airbnb back up. But I got this here, right here, over in this area right here is where the toilet's going to sit there, the vanity is going to be here, and the shower is going to be over in this area right in here. And when I put these boards down, I made a mistake. This is an outside wall here. So on outside walls, you're supposed to put pressure treated wood on the next to the wall to prevent any rot. Well, I didn't think about it, and I just put down the regular, but guess what I have here? I have plenty of pressure treated wood to do this with. So y'all, I'll be posting updates as we go, and as it progresses, the work progresses, I'll be posting these updates. We don't have any ceiling here, so we're going to have to do a considerable amount of work to get the HVAC run to each of the bedrooms. We're going to get these lights moved to the centers of the rooms. There's one there. We've got to get them moved to the center of the rooms. We'll need a hallway light, we'll need a bathroom light, and of course we'll need all the plugs that are going to go around the walls of the bedrooms and in the bathroom. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep posting as we progress on this job, and hopefully it will be interesting videos as I go along. And then the finished product, of course, I will show you the finished product as well. So this, you can see here some of the roof work that was done where the roof was leaking. But let me take you in here where they are currently working on fixing the Do you mind if I put you on video?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. They're working on fixing this ceiling here where it was leaking and damaged the plaster. And I don't know if you've ever done this before, but it's not easy to match up plaster and sheetrock. You have to be skilled to do that, right?
Yes, sir.
But we had this one here, and then I'm gonna walk around to the other room and show you the one in the other room. This is the piece of sheetrock. And this is the one in the other room that is being repaired. And they've got the holes cut out, and they've got some insulation to put up in there, and then they're gonna put new sheetrock in. Well, I made it back over here to Magnolia Place, and the work has been done. It is complete, and I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. So we're in here in the kitchen, and here's the ceiling where the big place was, in the ceiling in the kitchen, and it is looking pretty good. So let's check it out in here. We had a big rain last night, so looks like it's holding up pretty good. This is the room where all the debris was on the floor after they were taking it out, and looks like they've got it all fixed. So there you go, guys. I appreciate y'all joining me and staying with me this long. If you like this video and this content, be sure and put a comment down below and like and subscribe. And I'll be sure and put out more content like this as things progress with this place. So otherwise, y'all have a great week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.